Author Alan Lakin once said that failing to plan is planning to fail. Because of the magnitude and level of effort it takes to not only comply with ISO 27001, but show that you comply, it's important to follow a plan to make sure nothing gets missed. In this video, I'll teach you a plan that you can follow to help you lead your organization to successfully comply with ISO 27001. I recommend that you treat your compliance journey like a project. Appoint a project manager to oversee the effort and keep track of project objectives to ensure that schedules, costs, and risks are identified and managed appropriately. It's important that whoever manages this project has a strong understanding of security and the need for compliance, as well as the authority and leadership skills to manage others on the team. Doing this will improve your chances of succeeding. You can build your ISO 27001 compliance plan in 5 stages. Stage 1, assemble team and develop implementation plan. This is where you pull the right people together who will be primarily responsible for planning and implementing ISO 27001 compliance. Every organization is different, but this team might comprise a project manager, an executive sponsor, and members from various departments, including security, legal, HR, IT, and finance. Work with this team to outline the ISO 27001 compliance implementation plan. Here you'll define your information security objectives and ISMS goals. At this time, you'll also start communicating and raising the awareness of your organization about the project. Stage 2. Scope and baseline the ISMS. In this important step, you'll define the scope of your Information Security Management System, or ISMS. What your ISMS includes will drive the rest of your project. Next, conduct a gap analysis to baseline where your organization is today against the ISO requirements. Use the ISO 27001 and 27002 standards or checklists from this and my other ISO 27001 course to baseline the current state of your ISMS. Then prioritize the gaps you found based on level of effort, impact, and cost. This will give you a roadmap of next steps and identify any larger efforts that should be spin-off projects. Stage 3. Implement the ISMS. In this stage, you'll recruit and appoint members of the Information Security Steering Committee. One of the responsibilities of this committee will be to review and approve your organization's information security policies. You'll also begin writing these policies, beginning with the information security policy itself. This is also the stage where you will implement the plan built in Stage 1 and the missing controls you found in Stage 2. Stage 4. Define and implement the risk management process. ISO 27001 is based on managing information security risk. In this stage, you will define how your organization identifies, prioritizes, and remediates risks. You'll build the risk register for your organization and begin listing risks found during the previous stages. And Stage 5. Measure, monitor, and review the ISMS. The only way you'll know if your ISMS is ISO 27001 compliant is to implement the systems and tools necessary to measure and monitor it. That's what you'll do in Stage 5. This can include security metrics dashboards, regular security reviews processes, log monitoring systems, third-party reviews of your ISMS, etc. Use the results of these measurements, monitors, and reviews to continuously improve the state of your ISMS and security program. Each of the steps in these stages is covered in more detail in upcoming videos. This video is really to give you an idea of an overall plan you can follow to comply with ISO 27001. The handout with this video has the full outline of this plan, which you can download and use as a reference.